Infinix Smart 8. The screen is not good. The screen is broken. I'll have to change it. Good morning. If you are watching, this is Ken Righteous Technologies. So before we dive into repairing it, so let's remove the back cover. It's like the fan is making noise. Let me turn off the fan. Okay, welcome back. So let's remove it. That's the back cover. Now let's remove the screwdriver. Let's remove the screws. Let's remove the screws. You remove the screws. These are the screws. I'm removing the screws so that I can remove the housing and take off the screen. So let me finish removing the screws and tell you some secrets. So now that we have removed the screws, let's open the cover. If it is hard to remove the cover, to open the cover, you can just raise it like this. Where is the opening side? Raise it like this. Be careful. This place is the power button and the volume button. So if you are putting your fingernails inside it, or let's say you are putting some metal like this inside it, you may end up destroying the power button or the volume keys. So you need to be careful whilst removing it. So that's it. So if you remove this thing, you have to remove that's the sensor for a fingerprint. So we remove it carefully to avoid getting it broken. Let's remove it carefully. You have to remove it. So now let's remove the battery. Before anything, we'll have to remove the battery. And removing the battery, you need to be careful. Sometimes you may cause problem if you are removing the battery without care. So you careful. So once you just raise it small, you now have to use your hands to pull it small until it's smooth. Otherwise, if you are continuously using the metal or the knife, you will end up spoiling it. So this one, so this is the screen. Listen. So in some cases the screen may still be good and you want to remove it safely. So if you come across that case, you need to get some soft thing like this, you see, so that you use it and pry here. So once you pry and raise the screen small, you need to remove it like this with care, otherwise you will finish and the screen will not be able to work again. That's the old screen. So let's fix it back and go and buy the new screen. So once we fix it back, we are not going to tighten any screw inside. It's just this time we are just going to close everything. Sorry, we'll close everything inside it. But we are not going to close it in a way that will make us find it hard to open it when we buy the new screen. So let's stop the video for now. It will continue after we bring the new screen. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, this is Skin Righteous Technologies. These are charges. You can order. We will do free delivery to the first 10 customers. We are located in Tamale, around Dungu campus, UDS Dungu campus. Our number is 054-822-9846 or 053-593-2593. Thank you.